this is Noodle Industry. Today we're going to be playing Imposter Beta. Imposter Beta is nothing but something like Among Us, and meet Wow Noodles. Wow Noodles?
Hi guys.
Here.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. We can
I was
hear
on
you.
mute.
Yeah. He was.
So,
We can hear him. We can hear him.
so I'm here.
Yeah. So, oh my God, I'm a ghost. Are you there? You there in this game that I'm playing?
Yeah, yeah.
Bruh and
Wait.
Digger Tess. Lost.
Yeah. It's, you
Imposters
my
win, sorry.
imposter. Even the same imposters. The imposters are same.
Can I see Guava Noodles? Where is Guava Noodles? There he is, white. White is Guava
Yeah,
Noodles
wait here.
1.
I'm white.
He's Guava Noodles 1. I'm times taken away 3. If you want to join us, then
Okay.
send us a friend request. We'll for sure accept that. And tell us how the game went. How if you liked it or not.
Yeah. So, and also subscribe, guys.
Yeah. Please, we need your support.
Are you the purple person?
No.
You're the
I am.
brown.
I'm the.
Okay, I'm red.
I'm innocent.
I just changed. Yes. So this is just almost a rip-off of Among Us.
Yeah.
Okay, let's.
And the thing is, they've recently just updated the game. So in this, so now before there used to be only one thing where you had to click on E and Q, and your task used to finish. But now we are going to be playing in updated version. Feels good.
Yeah. So
Yeah. I don't have any tasks.
update is awesome. Like actually,
Yeah.
it is very awesome.
It's very interesting to play as well because it's not that easy to be an imposter as well because if you want to kill, you have to kill the person who's not in front of everybody. Please don't be a person like please don't be a person like me. You can ask Guava Noodles 1 why you don't have to be me.
Yeah. Yeah. He actually, if he is a murderer, he actually murders someone in front of 2 3 people and gets himself vote out. Okay, oil tank.
I just don't know how to do it, so I directly go and then what? Should I just put okay, some of these are getting a bit lame onto my head. Wait, what is this? Spaceship? Spaceship? What is this? We have to reboot? What? Does it say reboot? Yeah, it is. It's
What reboot?
There is something which no, I'm talking about the spaceship in that some room, some big room.
Oh, okay.
I can even show. I'll show you the cafeteria. Means cafeteria is nothing.
Where are you right now? I'm at Station Hills. I'm in Station Hills. Oh, I'm behind you, I guess. Is that you?
Brown is me.
Yeah,
Brown is
behind
me.
you.
Brown is me.
Right here.
I have no task.
I have a task
I have
here
no
too.
task over here, so I have to go somewhere else.
Okay. And yeah, guys, it's a very awesome game. Make sure you play it.
Actually,
okay,
we both cannot believe on each other because actually we won't be telling out the truth to each other. So you have to see it out.
And you just said that, so I got 100%, like a 50% thought that you are the imposter.
Oh, okay. Let's see. You people know if I'm not or I am because you saw. Okay. So,
Comment down below if you
wait, somebody took out the
comment down
electricity. Oh, okay.
It says oxygen.
Oh, sorry, oxygen.
It says oxygen.
Sorry. Okay. Let's get all of this in there. We have finished our. We have how many? We need 2 more, and oh, we have to finish the oxygen thing also. So.
Okay, wait. I'm on the other side of the oxygen place. You go and do the opposite one.
Yeah, I have a small feeling on yellow because he's not. He's just running around every area. Like this.
Oh no. Go. It's 23.
Oh, we have to keep hold of this.
No, 14. No, 13.
You have to
no,
keep clicking on this to get this task completed.
Okay, no, we're not going to lose. That's fine.
Okay, so I have. Oh my God! Somebody called an emergency meeting. Let's check the chat about who they're saying. I killed yellow.
Who
Oh, sorry.
did?
This is the last match I bet. Who did it? Purple
Oh.
fake task. Oh,
Purple fake
but
task.
how?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
How do you know?
Fine.
How does he know?
Just vote purple. If purple is not it, then it's yellow because he's just giving
Hey,
off a
purple is like bye. He's leaving. I type of person.
purple left. Oh goodness. I guess purple is short tempered. That's why he or she left.
You would have been like, no man,
Okay.
I don't want to get a car.
Okay. Uh, he. Wait.
What? No, he was innocent. He was innocent.
No, but it doesn't say that he was innocent. Okay, I have 2 more tasks left.
I have one left. Oh no, sorry, two I have. Why am I so confused? Why am I so confused with tasks?
Okay, wait, I have one in security.
I have one in the bionics and mechanics. Wow. But I need to ask. But what I need to ask
Okay,
is
wait.
what is bionics? I don't
Yeah,
understand what's bionics.
please tell us what bionics
If
is.
anybody knows, then comment down below and tell us. And even tell me
Okay,
if you can hear guava noodles.
What?
What?
What did you say there? Nothing.
Means
Okay.
maybe his voice is not heard. That's why I was just asking.
Wait, where is security? Isn't the security?
I am in the
Oh, yeah,
supply
this is
storage and I have successfully. No, wait. Almost done.
this.
Yeah, I've successfully completed all my tasks. So I can just.
Me too.
So let's meet. Let's meet in the cafeteria.
Security cams. I'll just search the security cams. Okay, yeah, I see you in the camps. I see you in the camps.
Oh, I got scared on this blue guy. Oh,
I see you on cam.
who won it?
Yay!
At least tell us who's the
Who was-
imposters.
Yeah, it doesn't say that.
Oh,
Wait.
purple is the imposter.
Oh, Papa was the imposter. Yeah.
Are please show us. Are they did not even
Oh,
show
Pink
us.
was the imposter. Pink was the imposter.
Oh, okay. Hey, see these colors. Pink, blue, and let's see if we can do brown also in that.
Wow. Oh, okay. So I guess we can make a private game.
Should we play a private
Yeah,
game?
we can make a private. Guys, if you want to see us play, if you want to see us play in a private server with a few people, then comment down below. We need, and yeah, if you want us to see that, at least more than 5 likes.
I'm so bored.
Please.
I am innocent again. Worst part. I'm innocent. Why?
Innocent is little boring.
Yeah, innocent is a bit
Right?
boring because being an imposter, at least you have some job to do more than just
Wait. Should we do one thing?
what?
Let's mute our mics and we'll only talk when it is when someone has hit the emergency button or found a dead body.
No.
Is that fine?
The thing is, we will mute or we won't speak when or if we die. Okay, if we die by somehow, then we have nothing. We are gonna not speak only.
Okay, fine.
I will mute myself. Okay, even though you people will be able to hear me. Guava will not be able to.
Yeah.
Okay, I just completed one task right now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left.
You're actually unmuted.
I know. I told right I'm gonna mute if I die. Baba?
Yeah.
Don't mute yourself right now.
Fine. But you know the
can you come to
the
the status room? There's a guy beside me. I'm not sure if he's gonna kill me or something.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No. Don't come. He left. Leave. He left.
Fine. Okay.
Why I actually called him is because by chance he kills me, this Guava can then report.
Okay, wait. Blue is being super sus.
I guess. Then call the emergency meeting. Just wait.
No, I'm not gonna call now. I'm not gonna call it now.
When I tell, then you do. Cause right now I'm doing my task and I.
Oh no, reactors. No reactor. It's reactor. It's reactor. Go.
I have a
React.
lot. I have a lot of feeling that it is that blue guy.
You have a feeling?
Because blue even
No.
stayed close to me, but he ran away after that.
Come to reactor.
Oh, sorry, I went into wrong door for reactor.
Man, come quick. It's like more 32 seconds. After 32 seconds, the thing switches off and
28,
game over. The
27,
is winning.
26, 25. Okay, time's getting over. Oh, it's
Wait, blue did it. Actually, no. Actually, blue did it. So I don't think he's the imposter.
fine. I I guess blue is new to this game.
How do you know that?
So why is he just stopping at places, then taking his turns?
I don't know. What the heck?
Who called this? I have three more. Huh?
Uh, not unicorn.
North Unicorn.
Not
Black. Who's black? What? What?
Rid. Black was following me.
Yeah, but he did not kill
Uh,
you. He did not kill you means how do you say that?
okay, skip. IDK skip. I don't know, so I'm skipping.
Everybody's voting for Ridley.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm also gonna vote for Ridley.
Mute. I'm
Thinking.
gonna unmute.
Um, Ridley was voted off. Innocent. Guava, you there? Guava.
There. It could be yellow. It's yellow.
Yellow is
It's
you.
yellow.
Oh, sorry. You
It's,
were a
I'm
different.
red. I'm red.
You're different yellow.
What do you mean? Because I think it's him because he accused him like for no reason, or it could also be a mistake. He was going for. It could be that they both were going to the same room for the
Okay.
same task.
Now I need to finish one more task after this. After this, yeah. Now I need one more task to finish. Then I'll
I'm
be done
actually
with my
lagging.
task.
I need to do two more.
I'm telling you, this Gray is gonna feel that I'm following him, but I am not actually. I have to do my work. If I die, no, I won't even tell Guava if I've done it or not. Means who killed me or not.
What?
We won
Oh
because
yes,
we finished all the what do you say?
tasks.
Yeah, tasks.
But I didn't finish my task. I
I
didn't finish
finished.
my task.
I luckily finished all my tasks. So we're
Okay.
back into this thing once again.
Actually, this is the spaceship. If you look up, you can see the moon. This is actually the spaceship.
Oh, I actually never knew that. I'm not kidding. Oh my
Wait, where
god,
is
that
it?
looks so good.
Oh, okay. If you go to shop, you can buy stuff. I have like 280 credits. 100 credits.
I won't be buying
Ooh,
that now.
okay, I can buy a horn actually.
I won't be buying that now.
But
Arre, Innocent is so boring.
right? Okay, I'm gonna mute myself. Is that fine, please?
Why?
That's because that will be much better.
Fine. Watch the builder. Watch the builder. I'm so mad. Let's see. Um, let's go, man. Arre! Yeah, fine. Now I can do the task. We'll go to another task. thing is, we have to finish all our tasks. Then only we can actually finish this game. See, I told you. If you kill in front of people, it's a mad thing to do. No, I'm telling you, everybody's gonna vote me. If they don't vote, then I don't know who's gonna vote. It's me. It, it's me. Yeah, good, good. People vote for me. People vote.
What the heck, man?
People.
What the heck, really?
People vote for me.
You will
People vote.
betray your
You had to.
country.
You had to mute. If you died, you have to mute. You know.
No,
Oh my god. You know what's the amazing part in me? I literally killed guava noodles in front of everybody. Literally, it was so amazing. That's what I'm telling you. Never be an imposter like times. Okay, you can unmute Guava. Guava?
There I am.
Yeah. They'll be like, yeah.
Imposter. Wait, who's the other imposter?
I won't tell you. You can find out on your own. Or do you want me
Actually,
to
you know
tell?
what? I'm just
Do you
gonna
want me
go
to tell? Do you want me to tell?
No, it's fine.
I will.
I'll just finish my
I'm
task
gonna
today.
lock all the doors.
I'm going to do my task real quick and I'm going to chill out in uh, um,
Hey,
security.
let's meet in the what do you say, cafeteria. Come, we'll just enjoy.
No, wait, let me just do my tasks.
Yeah, you finish your task. Until that, you know what? I'll show you. We can actually run through walls when you're a ghost. So it's pretty easy.
Yeah, that's actually the coolest thing.
Yeah. And the thing is, Among Us, you have a small area to see through, so it won't look as amazing as it feels while playing this in Roblox. See this? You can when you come to this area, you can actually just see through all the walls. Literally, just see this. I can go through these people. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Wait, you are kidding? No, I can't kill. For one
Two,
second,
three,
I
four.
thought even after dying, I can kill.
Okay, 4. Oh wait, I'm done with my tasks.
Meet in cafeteria.
Okay,
Where's cafeteria? Suddenly, I got.
where are you?
Wait, I'm not in the
Where
cafeteria.
are you?
I'm not in the cafeteria. I have to come back.
Oh, there you are. There you are. I found you.
Where?
Found you.
Where?
Right here.
You're seeing me?
I see you.
Where are you? I can't see you.
You're right. You're right in the walls between security and ventilation.
Yeah.
Where did you
How do I reach cafeteria? I'm not able to reach cafeteria.
go through the walls? That's it. I just found cafeteria by going through the walls.
I know we can go through the walls and find the cafeteria, but I'm not able to find it even though I'm going through the walls. Oh, defeat.
Okay, yes, victory. There you go.
I lost.
Wow.
Anyways, that's okay. I just man, that was so bad.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
So,
I actually want
anyways,
a crack.
that's all for today, everybody. If you liked it, then you know what to do. Click that like button. And if you're new to
Yeah.
this channel, please hit that subscribe button. We need lots of this because without your
And
help,
share this video.
yeah, without your help, we
Share this
cannot reach or do anything.
Yeah. So let's get together. See you later
And
and bye.
bye.